Today I am reviewing the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dash cam front and rear. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your vehicle and capture every moment on the road, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dash cam is a top-of-the-line solution. Designed for both front and rear coverage, this dash cam brings ultra-high-definition 4K video recording to your car, ensuring that every detail, from license plates to street signs, is captured with stunning clarity. The dual-channel system records both the front and rear simultaneously at 3840x2160p, delivering sharp, vibrant footage. The front camera features a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, providing expansive coverage of the road ahead and multiple lanes at once. Meanwhile, the rear camera ensures you have full visibility behind your vehicle, which is essential for accidents, parking incidents, or any unexpected events on the road. With this level of coverage, you can drive with confidence knowing that you have continuous, high-quality evidence in case of an emergency. One of the standout features of this dash cam is the loop recording and G-sensor technology. The camera comes with a pre-installed 128GB memory card, ready to use right out of the box. Loop recording ensures that footage is continuously captured without interruption, while the G-sensor automatically locks any videos related to collisions, preventing them from being overwritten. There's also a manual lock button, allowing you to secure important footage instantly. For extended storage, the system supports memory cards up to 512GB, which means you can keep more recordings for longer trips or heavy usage. The TERUNSOUl dash cam doesn't just perform well during the day, it excels at night thanks to Super Starlight Night Vision. With enhanced WDR and advanced low-light technology, the front camera with its f1.5 large aperture and the rear camera with f1.8 aperture capture more light, delivering brighter, clearer, and more detailed footage even in dark conditions. This feature is invaluable for capturing accidents or incidents that occur after sunset, in tunnels, or on poorly lit roads. Connectivity is also a major advantage. The camera supports ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi along with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly view and manage recordings through the TERUNSOUl app on your smartphone. You can download videos quickly, share them with insurance companies or friends, and even manage settings or update firmware wirelessly. This makes accessing and organizing your footage incredibly convenient without needing to remove the memory card or connect to a computer. Built-in GPS functionality adds another layer of security and utility. The dash cam records your speed, location, and route directly onto the video. You can view this GPS data on the 3-inch IPS screen in real time, or track your routes later using the app or the free GPS player on Windows and Mac. This makes it easy to provide irrefutable evidence in case of disputes or accidents. For those who park their vehicles in busy areas or outside overnight, the 24-hour parking monitoring feature is a lifesaver. Using time-lapse recording and G-sensor detection, the dash cam continuously monitors your car for potential collisions or theft. In the event of any impact, the camera automatically triggers recording and locks the video, giving you peace of mind even when you're not in the car. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, designed for drivers of all experience levels. It's powered via the car's cigarette lighter with the included charger, and TERUNSOUl also provides an 18-month warranty along with 24/7 customer support for added reliability. The dash cam's design ensures it does not interfere with airbags or other safety features, making it safe and practical for everyday use. In summary, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dash cam front and rear is a comprehensive security and recording solution for any vehicle. From its ultra-clear dual 4K recording, wide-angle lenses, night vision, and GPS tracking to Wi-Fi app control, parking monitoring, and user-friendly installation, it's built to protect you, your car, and your memories on the road. With the included 128GB card and support for up to 512GB, this dash cam gives you the storage, clarity, and convenience you need to feel safe and secure while driving. Whether for daily commuting, long road trips, or simply protecting your vehicle while parked, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dash cam is a must-have accessory that combines cutting-edge technology, user-friendly features, and peace of mind in one complete package.